Thank you for choosing our Patio Heat channel. I'm Steve. We provide tips and information to extend the enjoyment of your patio project. Our videos give you a knowledgeable overview prior to investing in your outdoor heating equipment. Whether you are a professional or owner builder, we provide specific details for optimum heat coverage for your application. Post a comment or question, or for developed visual designs, send your request into designs@patioheat.com. We're here to work with you. For over 30 years, patio heating is the bedrock of our business, expressing what works best. Now let's get heating. All right, so we have this little food court seating area here, and let's go ahead and look at the overall dimensions first of all. So overall dimensions, I have at the rooftop here, I have at 40 feet by 18 foot 8 3/4. And then at the lower section here where the posts are, I have that at 34 feet 8 inches. And down here you can see from outside edge to outside edge on the post, 14 foot 7 inches. Also, we have two different heights. So the inside edge of this cross beam here, I have at 11 feet off the finished floor to the top section here to the finished floor. And then over here where the beam is resting on this other support beam here, I have at 12 feet 7 3/4 off the finished floor. And I think that's about it. We do have a vinyl style of rooftop, so it's something that we want to be concerned about, not to overheat that. And then obviously we have the seating position here, and we do have a position where the food truck itself can move into the structure. So I'm going to eliminate any need for heating system over here. All right, so what you see here is we have a total of 3 of the 6,000 watt units here on the back side because of the higher elevation. And then I have a total of 3 of the 4,000 watt CD. These are C series, and these are CD series over here. So these are 4,000 watt units over here. As far as the placement, what I did was I went from the outer edge, but I just want to show you what I actually have as far as the placement is concerned. See if I can grab that to this position here. And we'll pop that right there. And this is going to be pretty close to being accurate. 6 feet 10 inches center to center on the units themselves. But what I did was I started from this point right here and then dropped it down 6 feet, making sure that I was going to meet the clearances to combustibles below the heaters. The clearance on this outer edge on the left side of the heaters here to any combustible surface over here is 18 inches. And it's 18 inches on all 4 sides, and that's also true on the 4,000 watts as well. And those also came up 6 feet from this outer edge to the center point of the mounting position of the heater itself. And I should also mention from center heater here to center heater here is 9 feet, and the same from this distance here to here. I did move the heaters over. Let's go ahead and see what that position is from this edge over here to the outer edge of the beam itself, or the post I should say itself. So from there you can see I have that at 2 feet 8 inches, and then again from the center point of the heater 9 feet, and then the center point of the heater here 9 feet. So one other thing is you'll have to come up with maybe a 2x6 board that would come across over here. Let me just go ahead and just draw something like that out real quick just to give you an idea. It would be something like this. This isn't an exact 2x6 here, but I just want to make something quickly so that you can see how something like this would be mounted. So you'd put a 2x6 here, and then you can mount the unit on that 2x6 up here. Let's see if there's anything else. I'm going to go ahead and just delete these for right now. And we'll go ahead and look at now the footprint of heat. So this will be the footprint of heat. I'm going to take off the clearance areas, you can see that the 4,000 watt units put out a less amount of heat than the 6,000 watt units. And I was trying to conserve a little bit of the energy, so that's why I'm choosing the 4,000 watt units here. So this would be a warmer spot over here, and this would be a comfortable spot, but not as intense as the 6,000 watts. Now you could put all 6,000 watt units if you choose, but over here you may wish to have, on this side, if you do that, you may wish to have a control system where you can dim the units on or up or down, or at least have a duplex switch on these units over here. But I think over here, because of the height, this is the best installation height would be 10 feet off the finished floor, and we're sitting about maybe 2 feet higher than that, so we'll call it 12 off the finished floor. But in any case, I think some customers would prefer to have a little bit more, and some would have a little bit less heat. And yeah, you could also, looking at the footprint, we'll go back to that clearance area again. You could also, move these 3 units down slightly, and if we did that, we'd go down the slope of the ceiling joist up here. And so this is going to be 10 inches here that I'm going to move down, and we're still within that clearance area. So that's 10 inches. You can see that this footprint is coming out a little bit further, so it's heating up this position over here just fine. So if anyone's sitting outside the area, they'll get a little bit more coverage here. But yeah, that would be something I would recommend. And you can see also the crossover rays here in the center are great, so that would also be something that would work out just perfect for this whole environment here again. All right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve, and would you please tap that like button if you find this video useful? We don't advertise, not monetize. YouTube does not support us unless we receive a thumbs up from our viewers, and we really appreciate you doing that. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day.